Aloha and welcome to training test number 3. This test is for the technicians and will teach them how to interact with a workflow for a work order, generally corrective work orders. Okay, these are the items we will cover. We will start with number 1, navigate to the task list, find the task to start work, and we will perform the task. Okay, I previously created a work order which is right here for test 3 work order. So this is your task list. To get to it, you click Home, side menu Tasks, and then it's displayed. Right here, Start Work. That is what you need to accomplish based on this list. This particular one after it says End Work. Okay? So the system prompts you based on this list what you need to do next, or what action you need to perform with that item. To get into and perform that item, you simply go to where it's underlined here on the left, and see how my cursor has a little hand that looks like a finger pointing? That indicates that that is a link, and if you click on it, it will take you into another part of the system. I'm going to click that now, and it will take me to my work order. Now this task is very easy. It wants me to start work. To do that, I look over the work order, and assuming I don't have any questions with it, I come down here and click Start Work. That acknowledges that I did see the work order, and my foreman will be able to see that. Okay. Next item on my task is to put a work order on hold. The way you do that is you go to this box, where it says On Hold Cancel Comments, and you have to put some sort of text in there. You have to write waiting for new cores. Okay, and then you can click down here where it says On Hold. Now, something you should know about the putting work orders on hold: when you do put it on hold, an email goes to the requester if this work order came from a request. Then email also goes to Jerome and Dan and myself and Lucy and your foreman, so they all know what is happening and why it was put on hold, and those notes show up. So please choose your words carefully. In the past, in other organizations, people sometimes get into trouble for typing what they don't want other people to see in that box. Okay? So it is now on hold. If I were to go to my task list, it would tell me to resume work and that its status is on hold. Okay, so I'm going to link into it. I'm going to do that by clicking Resume Work. All right. Now, date of labor, or excuse me, actual hours. This is the time I worked on this project. I'm going to assume that I worked 2 hours on this project and that I did it yesterday. I'm going to bring up the calendar here, and I'm going to select yesterday's date. Okay. Notice on the calendar you do have drop downs for the years, you have drop downs for the months, and you can use these arrows to toggle between months. So there's a lot of ways to get around. Okay. Once you've selected the date, which I already have, simply click Close and then End Work when you're ready to declare you're done. Okay. And you'll notice that it is no longer on my task list, and I have done all the steps on this test. Thank you for training with me today. We'll catch you next time.